Katba gatma hapring kari Israel berkilano Hamas kari Palestine kadang yai peteng hadu mentah. Kane gatma kablaki nadu ka step perngap jongka nyotrik urisau araja arpulai. Ha gaba kilano Hamas kila terbom kendit ya kari Israel. Ha kate ka step kabla shimru ya kajing em ki breu da kispa ngut kentupru ya ki Khlem kena. Ha kane gatma kabla penketikru ya shibunut ke nongsong kari Israel nadu ki badang ki samla wat hadu ki bala temenru ban mi syakmat. Ban shim ya ki suloi pat ban yadai la ka jong ka kendeu ka siap hala kari la jong. Kawai na ki kubor ke basong tenat de bat ka ba aimen simru iki nongsong snong kari Israel. Kamtam ya ki sipai kan kari ki bayeng ban yadai la ka jong kari. Ha ka ba we uri temen uba slur uba la kandai pesan senem kerta wal tip kerteng kumbu Esra ya chin ubadai unongsong snong jong ka Jerusalem. Da ka jingso kit kli la ka jong kari. Hagi jingsha penjat jong ki nongshun ulami syakmat bankit ya ko suloi ha ka terpeng jong u bat phongru ya ki uniform ki sipai Israel ban hiar syamadan tmaring kat bat ki weipat ki hajar ngut ki sipai Israel ban yakun persya bat kilano Hamas kari Palestine. Une uriu temen ubla aimen simru ya ki hajar ngut ki sipai Israel ki badang samla ha gane katma ban penkuit par ya kilano Hamas. Ha ka uniform ka ba ikluit bha ka ba ula phang baru bala ai jingkran ru ki weipat ki paraspai ki badang dang klain ki badang samla ula ong ngaso biang bha ka dei ka badan kam yangi ban yakun persya ki nongshun jongi na ka benta kari la jong ya une uriu temen ubala bu ru i ki benta syapang syate kari Israel om ban yakun persya ki lano hne kamram jong u kalong ban aimen sim ya ki spai samla ban yakun persya hamadan tma bat ki lano Hamas. Une uriu temen kane kari ubala yeng yakun na kabanta kari nadu kerta kabadang khatsan snem kerta hakitma nadu snem ka knai spa sau pra ubala sakiru ya jingsha penjat ke basyarkai ya kari Israel house snem ka knai spa lai pulai badang kan mauru tik petik ya kini kitma kum uri service haka Israel Defense Force IDF hakite kisnem shushu ubala yetu ru bah hakite kisnem jong kitma omdan mano ban mudur bakari ke barit kum ka Israel kan yakun persya bat kibala sensyar wat ya kapertai hi bro kawe henry ngi yeng ban yada bat ngi la job ru menta ki Hamas ki kop yengi ngin ya lek bet bat ngi sa job ru ong une uru temen baslur kari Israel kumta une uru temen umla Khlem da shus ngap ne spikai ge jing penjat jong ki nongshun ya kari Israel ulami syakmat ban shim ya ko suloi bat phongru da uniform sipai Israel ban yeng ya lek persya ikilano Hamas kari Palestine kibala aiding da kabahir tma kendit ya kari Israel ha ka step perngap jong kahnyo turik urisau arajar arpulai.
I started my fighting long ago. When I was 15, I joined Lehnoh, fighter for the freedom of Israel in 1944. Now I'm over 95 years old and I have seen much in my lifetime. I've been wounded badly. I've been blinded in one eye from Arab bomb shells, but I'm alive to tell the story of our fight, the story of the creation of the Jewish state, and now I'm going to make the story of the liberation of this land from all our enemies. Our enemy, it's an enemy that doesn't have the right to live one day in our world. That's now should be the decision of our army, of our commanders, to hit our enemies. We are not in Europe of Hitler. We are in our own land. He who beats us have to pay a price. He and all his surrounding to pay a price that they will not be alive anymore. And that's now our army, I hope, is going to do, to put an end to those Nazis of today. Today's Nazis, those Arabs, they have no right to live in our land, in our holy land. And now, I hope, with the spirit of our army, we're going to put an end to those beasts, wild beasts, in human's face. They have human's face, but they have murderers' hands. They have the most cruel beasts in the world. Now I call my army, go ahead and burn every creature who wants to hurt us. The victory that will make us inherit this land that we commanded to inherit it by God, by our scripts. And this is going to be now. Now is the time. We're going to burn them, and with the light of the fire, will lit the way to our freedom, to our peace.